In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pool on Cash App. How the pools work on Cash App. Basically, this is going to be a pool of money which you create a goal for and then you send to people, and if they contribute, then the money is going to go into that money pool essentially. So how can you create a pool? From the home screen of Cash App, you want to first set a goal. For example, let's do a $50 pool. And once you type $50, then you will click on pool here at the bottom, and you will need to create a name for this goal of money. So for example, I'm going to do John birthday, just like that, and you will click on start. Now, once you do this, it is going to generate this pool, and you can invite people using their cash tags, which is going to be their unique link. And also they can pay via Google Pay. They can do it via Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. And these funds will be separate from your main funds on your Cash App account. So basically that is how it works. You will see it as a pool here, and the funds will be separate. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.